Hi everyone. So today we are going to draw a bunch of grapes. So first we're going to start out with one circle in the middle, which is going to be one of the grapes. And then, so for the rest of the grapes, we're kind of going to build off of this circle that we have here. So draw one circle on that side, or a partial circle on that side, and a partial circle on that side. And then I'm just going to draw another little grape right here. And then one off to the side, kind of like build out. And then another one right there. And I'm going to draw one off the bottom. And then another one right off there. Kind of making it look like a bunch of grapes. You know how it's kind of bigger at the top and then gets smaller as you go to the bottom. And then I'm just going to draw one more little one at the end. And I think we're going to go ahead and add another one right there. So grapes, they're usually like the ones you see in the store, don't usually have a leaf, but we're going to add a leaf and a stem to this. So we're just going to draw a stem coming out the top, just like that. And then I'm going to draw a leaf on these grapes. So if you see them like growing on the vine, they're going to have a leaf on them, but usually the ones in the store don't normally have a leaf. And then also, since grapes do grow on a vine, we're just going to draw a little squiggly, curly line, just like that. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and outline our grapes. So we got our black marker again, and let's go ahead and start on that center circle. And then just go ahead and outline all the rest. And then the bottom one, we'll go ahead and do our stem at the top, and then our leaf. And then this little line in the center. And then we'll go ahead and do our squiggly vine, just like that. All right, and now we're gonna go ahead and erase all of our pencil marks. That's a nice thing about drawing in pencil first, because you could always go in at the end, like right before coloring, to erase all the pencil marks. Okay, and I am going to use this nice purple color to color in these grapes. And you can also, there's also red grapes, there's green grapes. I thought this purple was nice bright color to use. last one at the bottom. Okay. All right, and now I'm going to go in with this darker green color for the leaf and the stem. And then I'm just gonna, with the vine, I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of put a green line, like just outlining that black line. Just like that. And then go ahead and do the stem. And then our leaf. Kind of got to be careful because there's a lot of little points, very small, so you want to be careful outlining around those. Okay, and that's how you draw a bunch of grapes. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. I do have other drawings on my page, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.